Well, here's an automobile with an absolutely beautiful deep shine. This is a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible, just 31,000 miles. It's priced to sell. In fact, you can check out more detailed photos of this automobile and also the pricing in the link right down below this video. Beautiful crystal red on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and an absolutely great looking ebony convertible top. Under the hood, you'll find 436 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Factory features include the $6,550 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this includes power top, heads-up display, Bluetooth package, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sport seats with airbags, universal garage door transmitter, has a great Bose stereo system with in-dash CD changer. It has a front input as well and steering wheel controls. The crystal red is tint upcharge, and those polished Gumby wheels look great. Dual mode exhaust, OnStar, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start. Everything on this car is powered, has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax and is loaded with options. And this 2008 Corvette, as we said, shows just 31,976 miles. It's good condition. And the interior, well, you're looking at the interior now. This interior shows very good factory leather seats, very good door panels, very good excellent steering wheel and center console. Now, the car does have some additions. It includes a mild-to-wild remote fob for the factory dual mode exhaust. It has exhaust filler emblem, silver passenger's airbag fill-in, polished trim for the side defrost vents and the passenger's window switch and trunk release, and the gas door release panel as well. The body color mud flaps are included with this car. It has window tint, airbag warning label, blackout covers, and Lloyd floor mats with that C6 logo embroidery. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can get a hold of us at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, click that notification button and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Anyway, we hope to hear from you really soon. This is a beautiful car, and remember, we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine, and you can buy this car online with ease and confidence at buyavette.net. Again, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.